This is a lecture video for section 5.6, video 4. Here we're going to do one examples on simplifying expression using the half-angle identities. So at the beginning, we're just going to quickly looking at the half-angle identities. We have 5 identities, 1 for the cosine, 1 for the sine, and 3 for the tangent. So the example we have is we want to simplify the expression. The first one is plus or minus square root of 1 minus cosine of ax over 2. So to simplify expressions, we're first going to looking at is there any identities we can use. So looking at the structure of the expression we have, 1 minus cosine over 2 and the square root. So that is very similar to the cosine of a over 2 part. So that means we can use we can comparing the sine of a over 2 formula with the expression we have. So you can see that everything is the same. The only part is different, or the only part I can replace is the ax is actually our angle A. So that means I can simplify the expression. So by the way, my purple part is going to be my scratch work. My black one is the actual work. So that means I can simplify the expression by replacing A with 8x. And then, so the expression will become to sine of ax over 2. And simplify it, we got sine of 4x. Okay. The second one we have is plus or minus square root of 1 minus cosine of 9 beta over 1 plus cosine of 9 beta. So looking at the structure of the expression we have, it's very similar to the tangent one, where A is going to be the 9 beta. With that said, so the whole expression can be simplified as tangent of A 9 beta over 2. So we can rewrite it as tangent of 9 over 2 beta, and that's it for the simplified expression problem. So since the video is kind of too short, so I'm just going to add in one more example. It's follow the same pattern. The only reason I want to show you this example is we have fractions here. So the problem, the expression we want to simplify is plus or minus square root of 1 minus cosine of 3 theta over 5 or over 2. So looking at the structure of the expression we have is very similar to sine of a over 2 again. 1 minus cosine of a over 2. So with that says, a is going to be the 3 theta over 5. So I can rewrite it as sine of 3 theta over 5 over 2. Okay, so a complex fraction, I like to write it as a division sign. Divide by a fraction is the same as multiply by its reciprocal. So we end up with 3 theta over 10.